Okay, hello, good morning. I am Osigu Cheshku David Caleb, and I'm here to make a video on our week 1 contacts assignment. So, in this video, I'm going to explain my database connection string. I won't be showing you the database connection string because it's private and it's in my .env over here. It's in my .env over here, and this is my server.js. This is a server that runs the node project. As you can see here, I had to import the .env file over here to enable it load with .env.port, and I also had to ensure that it will be running on the local host. We'll be test running it very soon. I'm just showing us the scripts that we are writing in regards to this assignment, and this is my routes. It helps in telling the server how to get what to get whenever there is a get request. The route will be able to run that get request. So this is the get request for all contacts. This is the get request for all contacts, and this is the get request for only IDs. Right, this is the get request for only IDs, and we'll be test running them. And I exported the default router, which I imported over here. As you can see, I imported it here. So that's how the server and the router goes. And this is my database.js connection to bring it and to ensure that the string is being imported from the .env file over to the database.js in order to ensure that everything in the node backend works properly. And this is the models. This is where I wrote the schema for the information or the data that will be in the contacts. Yeah, so this is the schema here. This for the first name, which is required. This for the last name. This for email. This for favorite color, and this for birthday. So now we are going to run this. This is my .rest test run. We were asked to do it. So this won't be able to run. This won't be able to run, except I had to start the server. So we do npm run dev, and I'll be showing you the local display, and I'll be showing you the live display on render. So this is it. So let's go ahead and run this. Let's test run this first. So send request. As you can see here, HTTP 1.1200. Okay, this is the service code showing you that the response was okay. If it was 400, it is a bad service, maybe web page not found. So content length 467 and all that. Now this is, as you if you can remember, I told us that this is the schema. Remember, first name is here, and this first name, this last name, this email, and this favorite color, and then this is birthday. So I use this schema to update this information, and I updated this information via collection on my database dashboard, MongoDB Atlas dashboard. So this is in getting all contacts. Okay, so let us get contacts by ID. I had coded an ID here which should give us this information. So let us see, send request, and voila, you see, via the ID we've got this, right? And let us actually paste check the URL to be sure that it's working, and this is what we get. Contacts API is running, endpoints get all this, and then get one for this. All right, so let's actually go from local test running to running it in a live server. So this is my render here, right? This is my render here. So remember, for us to get all, we do this. So let's copy this and come over here and paste it and enter. Let us see what we are going to get. Okay, so as you can see here, because we did get all, which is the contacts, we were able to get every information here without any specific ID. So let's try getting by a specific ID. Remember, this is the setup to get by a specific ID. So let's try getting by a specific ID. Which ID are we going to use? Let's use this one, and we copy this and we come over here, we put a slash and we enter this and we enter. This is on live, this is live server now. This is not a local server. This live via render web service. So as you can see, because we selected a particular ID and we got the ID, we got the first name of the ID, we got the last name of the ID, we got the email of the ID, we got the favorite color, we got the birthday. Now please understand that this is only for educational purposes. So I'm also going to take us to my Atlas MongoDB dashboard so that we'll be able to see how it was done. Let me try signing in. Get started, and no, I'm not signing up, I'm signing in. So let's just sign in and I will show you how the collections and everything worked that made me not to hard code this information into my VS Code or my IDE here. So I first wrote the code. As you can see, it's opening. I first wrote the JSON information into the collection area. So this is my dashboard, right? This is my dashboard. So I'll go to, I've already connected using this string. So I'll now go to browse collections. I'll go to browse collections, and here you will see all the collections that I've done. We first of all did a professional collection, and then we now did for the contacts. So I'll select my database, and this for contacts and this for professional, the one that we did before. So for contacts, I'll click here. So you see here, you will see that I have already added this information here. So this information that I added here, I now used the database.js to import this information. Now remember that the .env also played its role. Yes, the .env played its role because this environment key was already on my .env, and this same environment key and the variable, I used it on my render in order to make sure that it runs smoothly without me hard coding any information. So that is how my assignment on week 1 contacts was able to get done. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Thank you.